This winter is about to be very interesting across the U.S. El Nino is ramping up in the Pacific Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean is warmer than it's ever been before. This rare combination of unique weather phenomenon will lead to a pretty active winter here in the States. We are going to see severe weather, Arctic blasts, and of course some snowstorms. But this year, I think we're going to see more than just your typical snowstorms. I think we're going to see a Big Daddy snowstorm. What in the world is a Big Daddy snowstorm, you ask? Well, it's one of those storms that happens that always gets talked about for years and years afterwards. I'm sure you remember or have heard someone talk about the blizzard of 77, 1993, or the great snowstorm of 1980 whatever. Those are Big Daddy snowstorms. And here's where I think we're most likely to see another one this winter. So everyone in the light blue here has a small probability of seeing a Big Daddy snowstorm. The dark blue is going to be a 5% chance, the pink is a 10% chance, and the red is going to be 15%, which is actually insanely high for this far out. The weather is hard to predict even just a week from now, and this forecast is mostly just for fun, but I'm confident in it and I want you to hold me accountable, so come back to this TikTok in March or April of 2024 and let me know how I did.
Ooh, a fresh pie. Save me a slice. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's... All right, that's good. Okay. All right, okay, all right. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's enough slices!
Palmer, Alaska has been windy for 24 hours straight. 75 miles per hour wind gusts. Multiple trees down, windows blown out, semis tipped over.
Looks like the power is out. No lights, no red lights. The gas station is off.
Can't even see the cars in front of me. My greenhouse is destroyed.
My greenhouse!
Our local Walmart. Our local airport.
Good morning. I'm digging out our slider so Olive can go potty up here. Like I said in my earlier videos, we're running out of places to put the snow. This was all cleared off a few days ago, so I'm gonna have to do the roof again. Whew, we're getting dumped on in Tahoe. Okay. We're looking at about 17 and a half inches last night. And then, wonder what that is over there. Should I measure it?
I go. Oh yeah, we got dropped in the snow.
I can measure it. Oh my god, knee deep. That's the ground. I need a better tape measure.
That isn't a real one. It's
hard
just
with the wind. 10 foot 2 inches. Better get the snow blower out again.
Yeah.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker.
outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. And the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so.
Yeah, listen, we fucked up.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Take a look in the 5 and 10,
Glistening once again,
with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
$110. Are you recording?
Yeah.
It's just like I'm going out like this.
Well,
I'm sorry. No, 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 no.